Hi there. We're now going to look at a tutorial to explain how we renew the standard data plan on an Ambrosio robot. So first of all, we're going to open up the app. We'll see we've got a garage there. We're going to look at two robots here. First of all, we're going to look at little Alberto. Little Alberto, the data is still live in that, so the robots come with 2 years of data, and little Alberto has the data there. So if we go into little Alberto, we don't need to be next to the robot to do this. In the green ribbon at the bottom of the page, we can see info. If we click on this, as we scroll down, it tells us there that the expiry date for little Alberto is the 31st of May 2025. Within about a month of the end of that period, you will be able to renew that data, and the app should send you a notification to tell you that it needs renewing. If we scroll down, we can see there's two types of plan we can renew. The standard plan is the common plan for all of the robots. If we just click on the standard plan, it then gives us two options. The cheapest option is to pay Zucchetti Centro Systems, the manufacturer, directly. For this, if we click on credit card, it will allow us to be able to place our credit card details in and renew the data. When we're doing this, it may be that your card that you're going to use requires verification via your banking app, so bear that in mind. If you have a problem connecting and in the standard data plan, you can always request your distributor, your supplier, a voucher. The voucher is a very long code which will be emailed to you. This is a more expensive option, but it is possible to do by asking your supplying dealer for a voucher code to renew the data. The other scenario would be if the data plan has expired, in which case that information in the info section of the app won't be there. So we're now going to look at Frankie. Our data has expired in this one here. So you'll see the Bluetooth emblem there. So if we again go to the setup, we've got a different way about it. And we'll scroll down till it says configure connect module. So we click on configure connect module. It'll open up the select and accessory screen. Once we have the robot identified in the select and accessory screen, we can click on that and open up the robot. There, the Ambrosio 20 Elite is highlighted. This can take some time, so do be patient. So we'll click on the Ambrosio 20. Open up the window there, reading the configuration. And then it will ask us to connect the functions for the activation of the connect module. We proceed again, and now it takes us to a screen where it says that we can renew the data. So again, there's two methods there. There's renew the standard data or refill for the infinity data. The infinity data is only there for where you've got several robots within the same circuit. So if we click on renew, it again offers us the same options to either renew it by credit card, which is my advice. This method is the most inexpensive way of doing it. And again, when you populate this with email and your card details, it may ask you to verify. And that's the end of this tutorial.